Another fairly common task, and yet it's very important, is to control the spacing in the lines of your document and sometimes within the lines of your paragraph. And so we'll spend a little time on this module pointing out how to do each of those. To add a new line into your document at any time, you can just press the Enter key. So I've just hit it twice and I've added 2 blank lines into the document, but really I haven't added 2 blank lines. I've really added 2 new paragraphs that just don't contain any information. If I want to add what is technically, as I navigate to the end of this next line of the sonnet, if I want to add just a blank line, I hold down the Shift key and press Enter. And what I want to show you here is what Word is interpreting for each of these behaviors here. And one way to quickly see that is to come up to the paragraph section here of the Home tab and turn this on here. Show or hide your paragraph marks. And you can do that with the keyboard shortcut as well. So this is what the actual changes that I just made look like. So this blank line here is actually a separate paragraph. Same with this one, that just has no information, as I said. This line break right here is just that. It's a line break. It's not a new paragraph. So that can be important when you're applying styles or formatting, because sometimes you'll want to apply a style or format to a whole paragraph, but that paragraph may include some line breaks. And so both of the things would be included when you apply that style. Another thing you might want to happen is that if you've got a line break here, as we do here, you can type without having the text continue on to the edge of the screen. So with that line break, if I do this now, Shift Enter, now I can continue typing, but this is again the same paragraph. So that can be toggled on and off with that Show or Hide paragraph mark. If you want your paragraph marks always on as a part of your document, if it helps you kind of see what you're doing, once again, go to the Word Options, Office button, Word Options, and now just click on the Display grouping here, and then check this option right here. Always show these formatting marks on the screen. Paragraph marks, and OK, and as you can see, the paragraph marks are back. As a last note here, I want to also insert another kind of break into the document, and that is a page break. I can do that with the Control Enter. So Control Enter starts me a new page, which I'll now immediately undo. So that is how you can control the line breaks and sometimes the page breaks. There's also another place you can go do this, and that is on the Insert tab here. If you click there and then click on your Pages grouping, or Pages button here, you get a little drop down that lets you insert cover pages, which we'll show you how to do that later on. But you can insert a blank page or a page break. So if I click on the Page Break button, we drop down and we start a new page in our document.